Hi guys, this is Jamila from Love Mila. I am coming to you from my new rocking chair. If you have been following me on social media, Instagram and Facebook, you would know that we moved to Georgia and we have a new property here. And when you come down south, you have to have a rocking chair, especially because we have a porch, so it's fitting. I haven't been on in a while. I've been trying to make this video for a long time because it's almost May. I can't believe it, but it's almost May. And March, again, if you follow me on social media, you know that we took a vacation. If you've seen my previous video, I actually made garments for that vacation, so you can look, revisit that video and see what I made for that. And I'll try to insert some pictures of some wins that I had for the vacation, like resort wear. But today I'm going to be talking about some recent patterns. So unfortunately, just, you know, we all have different tastes, and I wasn't feeling a lot of the early spring or spring patterns like at all from any of the commercial companies. I'll say I haven't really looked into indie patterns, but what I did like, I have in my hand, and it's really only four, and that's Simplicity's spring and one Butterick spring. Like Butterick just dropped, like an album, it's just dropped. But I only liked one pattern from that. I think Vogue only liked one, but it wasn't enough to buy it. So anyway, let me tell you about the Simplicities that I do like and that I got. So this one, and I think a few people got it for this jumpsuit right here. I have a rack number, but it's really Simplicity 9544. I also like View B. I just like kind of the scalloped edge on the bottom. This curved bottom is really cute. And I have an Instagram inspiration for this jumpsuit actually that I think will be perfect with the right fabric. There's a lot of things going on outside, like wind chimes and things, so hopefully you all can hear me okay. Next I have, man, this is so fitting. If you all follow me or seen any other video, you know that I modify my garments for ease of nursing my son, and they have, it's a little glare, but Simplicity has this new nursing shirt, and not just the shirt, but like joggers and shorts to match. So I thought that was super cute. And it's $95.56. $95.56. The blanket I'm not interested in, but this shirt, because it's the panels are vertical instead of horizontal. Like the horizontal ones, everyone knows it's a nursing shirt, and it's just not cute because you never wear a half shirt in real life. But just these side panels, no one would really know. It's just gathering. No one would really know that it's a nursing shirt or different from any other shirt. So I really like that, and I like the joggers. It has pockets. It's an a leg band at the bottom, elastic waist, super cute. Just for, like, I guess loungewear, what you would need as a new mom or any mom. Let's see, next I have this vintage one that I got just for this bolero. I think it's really cute how it cuts. That was it, and this is $95.36. $95.36. And then this last one, it was only four that I liked. I got this for this jumpsuit, and I'm going to show you a Pinterest inspiration to show you why. This is $95.41. I was in, so we went to Hawaii, and there was a shirt that I got from Walmart, and it was basically just a rectangle with a casing at the top that ties. And I was like, oh, I can make this. In fact, I can make it as a maxi dress, and then I can make it as a jumpsuit. But this, literally, without the patch pockets, is the same thing. It's a rectangle, just making it as a jumpsuit, splitting it at the bottom. And then I'm going to extend the top and extend the back, put a casing on here, and just loop a, it sounds like a lot, but it's really not. Just loop like a tie through, and that's the jumpsuit. So, you know, if I don't have to draft things myself, which is super easy to draft, it's just like literally 2 rectangles, then I just saw this and was like, oh, this is exactly what I was going to do anyway. So anyway, that's that. And so here it goes from like cold to hot overnight. And we have been planting, we have been planning, we have been doing a lot of things with the property that is really exciting. So I'm trying to share also some of that footage and things like that. So that's kind of been keeping me away from sewing as well, just getting things around here together, getting rooms together. You know how it is when you move to a new place. So hopefully all of that will be included in Love Mila series. So if you are interested in any of content like that, then let me know, and I'll be sure to upload more content like that. And also, my mother moved down here. She retired and moved down here, which gives us a big helping hand, and so we're so excited to have her here. And so hopefully I will be able to be a little more consistent as well. We have more hands and eyes with the little one down here. So I'm really, really excited about all of the transitions and movements that are taking place. Anyway, I hope that you all like the video. Please remember to like and subscribe and share, leave a comment below, and I will talk to you all later.